Alright guys, so in this lesson we're going to talk about creating the money making machine. In general, just optimizing our channel for success. Now that we have created our logo, our channel art, we have the name, we have all the stuff that we need to actually say we have a channel. We're just going to be optimizing the channel, adding those on there to make sure that our channel is ready to go. So to just do a brief summary of what we're going to be covering, we're just going to be adding our logo, channel art, and channel description. And we're also going to be creating and uploading the default with a custom subscriber link. If you don't know what that is, and that is perfectly fine. I'm gonna be showing you how to add your channel keyword. That will basically help your channel with SEO and suggesting for you to suggest it to the right audience. Every channel, not much people do it, but you have the option also to add tags to your channel in general. So adding those tags help YouTube to understand, okay, what audience for me to promote this video to. So adding those tags help you to understand what your channel is about, and for you to have a clear understanding of what your channel is about, it also know what type of people to recommend your video to. And last, we're going to talk about arranging our channel setting for success. So the first thing we're going to be covering is adding our channel logo, channel art, and also channel description. So I'm just going to go into my computer with the logo we already created with the design that we have for our channel art. We're just going to be plugging and playing into the channel. Okay, so remember that we have our channel over here that we have created. So basically what we're going to do is go to our channel. So we already created our channel. You're going to go to your channel and it's going to be plug and play. So the first thing, if you hover over your profile, you'll see it show the camera. You just click that and continue. And it's going to take you to the channel customization. So now we're just going to be plug and play. We have our logo created, we have our channel art, and we have everything else created from the last lesson that we did. So we're just going to upload our logo, and we have it right here. Done. And now we're going to upload our channel banner, which we have right here. And you can see the same stuff that we saw on Snapper. It shows you that this whole part which will be available on TV. If someone's watching from desktop, only the side will be able to show. If someone's watching from mobile, they'll be able to see this. And don't worry about your channel watermark. If you want, you can just also add your logo as your channel watermark. Click done. And once you've done all of that, you're going to click publish. And after you click publish, we're just going to wait for it to load up. Then we're going to click view channel. And now when we're viewing our channel, we can see that we have the logo, we have the channel art. It's like we have an actual channel actually built and created. Now one more thing, don't forget that we created the channel description. We've already written it down. So now we're going to take our channel description and we're actually going to add it. So what we're going to do is going to click customize channel. Press continue, and you're gonna go to the basic info, and you can see right here description. This is your channel description, and that channel description which we wrote, we're actually gonna go back to our Google Doc, which is where we wrote it, and we see channel description right here, and we're just gonna copy that description and we're actually just gonna add it to our channel. And once we do that, we're gonna of course click publish. And once you have all of that done, view channel, and to make sure that it's added on there, you just go to the about section, and it should be in the about section right here. It should have the channel description on the about section. Now I'm going to be showing you how to create your uploading default with the custom subscriber link. This will really help with you bring more subscriber. Basically, a custom subscriber link is basically a link where people will click it, and once they click the link, they only have two options. It will say subscribe or cancel. So in that case, the person has to make a conscious decision to subscribe to the channel or cancel from subscribing. So we want to add that on there, and it's gonna be our call to action, which we're gonna actually put it on it's gonna be placed in every description of every video we ever upload. And we're going to talk about in a future module on how to add it into different places to actually help with subscriber. But for now, we're just going to create that link and we're going to add it as an uploading default, which means every video that we then upload to the channel, it will default to put that link in the description for all of every video we ever upload. So we don't have to consciously or physically do it. it will just be automatically be there in every video we upload. And whenever someone read our description and they come across it, it would really it really helped them to actually click the link. And if they click the link, and you have a new subscriber. So I'm just gonna go in detail showing you guys how to do that and how to add it onto your channel. Okay, so basically now we're gonna go back to our channel. You wanna make sure you're in your channel homepage. If you lost it, you just click on your profile picture, you click your channel, and you wanna make sure you're in your channel homepage. Now there's gonna be a special kind of link, not a link, but it's like an end to a URL. I'm gonna put it below because we're gonna add that. We're gonna need that to be able to create a custom subscriber link. Now I wanna open a new tab on Google Doc to be able to show you guys this fully. So basically what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be a link like this. It's gonna say !sub_confirm equal 1. So now basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your channel, you're on the home page, and go to the search bar and copy your channel link. So copy your channel link. Now I'm screen sharing, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but if I go on Google and I'm just gonna leave a space and I'm gonna paste my channel URL. This is my channel URL, so if I copy and paste that on Google, it's gonna bring me to my channel. Now, all you wanna do is add that !sub_confirm 1 to the end of your URL. So you just paste it to the end. And now if you copy the whole thing and let's paste it in the search tab, it's just gonna bring you to this page. It's gonna bring you to your channel, but before people actually get your channel, it's gonna have this link. So it's like an automatic link. When people click it, it says saying they're telling YouTube that I want to subscribe to this channel. And now YouTube just have a confirmation message saying, "Are you sure you want to subscribe to our channel name?" And now they have two options to click cancel or subscribe. So now that link that we have to be able to get to this page, we're gonna copy it and we're gonna go to a website called bit.ly.com. bit.ly.com, bit.ly.com. And you don't even have to create an account. All you have to do, to be honest, you just don't wait if you want to create an account, if you want to track the links, see how many people clicking it, but we don't really care about that. But you're gonna see shorten your link, you're gonna click, you're gonna paste that URL there with the !_confirm equal 1. You're gonna click shorten, and it's gonna give you a shorter link because the long link that we have look really ugly. So we're gonna copy that link, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our channel, and we're gonna click our channel profile. We're gonna click YouTube Studio, and now we're in the back end of our channel, and we're gonna click setting, and you see uploading default. And on description, I want you to add, and you can put this in your own word, you have to copy your word from what I'm putting. Click here to subscribe for more free documentaries from us. And I'll paste a link under it. So all it says, just click here to subscribe. And now, and whenever we upload a video, it's going to default to all of our description. So it's going to look like this. Click here to subscribe for more free documentary from us. And also, as extra tip, make sure you select the visibility and make sure it's unlisted. So every video you're going to upload to YouTube, it doesn't just upload it right here and there, but it will make it unlisted, and then you can choose if you want to schedule the video, public the video. We're going to talk about that more in the future, but make sure this is on unlisted. And we're just going to click save. And now once we click save, all we have to do, that's all that we have to do, to be honest. And in the future, as we move forward, you're going to see why we actually do this and why it's very important. Now next, we're going to be talking about adding our channel keyword. Now, basically adding our channel keyword, or we can also refer to it as channel tags. Adding our channel tags will basically help us with SEO and also helping the algorithm to suggest our video to the right audience. So basically a channel tag we'll just tell YouTube what our channel is about, what type of content we're going to be posting. And I'm going to go to my computer to show you how to do this step by step. Now again, we're in our channel back office, and just to go back, we'll click our profile, we'll click on YouTube Studio. And now once we're on YouTube Studio, we're going to click on Setting at the bottom, and we're going to click on Channel, and we're going to click on Stay on Basic Info. But before we continue, country of residence, just type where are you from. For example, me, I'm in the United States. Just put the country of where you are resided, where do you live at. And here you see keyword. This is going to be our channel keyword. So this is where we're going to actually add our channel keyword. And I'm going to go over a little bit of those setting real quick. But this is where we're going to add our channel keyword. So we have a channel that is documentary. Basically our channel keyword, you just got to put keyword that are related to your channel. It just help YouTube understand what our channel is more about. So as we already discussed, my channel is about documentary. I'm going to put documentary. You can also put your channel name also as a keyword. And now to find more keyword that we can use, we can also use vidIQ again. We're going to get used to using vidIQ because we're going to use it a lot of time. So since I'm using Safari as my browser right now, I'm going to open Chrome because Safari doesn't really allow vidIQ since it's a Chrome extension. So we're going to go to our YouTube, and we're just going to type, see if we can find some similar keyword. Just type documentary. And once you type documentary, we can look at the videos. And once we have the Booster Pro, you'll be able to have more keywords to look from. So we're gonna look at the videos and see what keyword can we use. We already have documentary. We already have documentaries. Full documentary. That's another keyword. We're gonna copy that. We're gonna paste it. And we have free documentary. We're gonna copy that and we're gonna paste it. HD documentary, I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste it also. And if we go back, let's see if we can find some of the keyword. Full documentary, I think I have full documentary. DY documentary, that's a channel. Full documentary. I don't think I have documentary spelled that way. So we can also use this. Oh, I already have it. Free documentary, HD documentary. So we have all of this. Let's see if we can find any other similar keyword related to documentary from the suggested videos. Real story documentary, so we found another one. So we can continue to put it all the way until we reach the limit of where that we can put. But it really doesn't matter as long as you have at least 5 good keyword that are related to your channel that kind of tell what your channel is about. That's perfectly good. So real story documentary, HD documentary, free documentary, documentary, documentaries. These are good ones. So next, once you do that, you're just gonna click save. And that is how you add your channel keyword, or should we say channel tags. Now, in general, we're going to be arranging our channel setting for success. So adding our channel tag is just one part of the setting. Now we're just going to switch up all of our channel setting to make sure that we make it in a way so that it's SEO friendly, search optimizer friendly, so that our channel will show up once people start searching for it. So we're going to go to our channel setting and we're going to set up all of those. So now we're back to our back office. We're going to go to setting again, and make sure this is set to your currency, US dollars. If you're in the UK, you're gonna put British pound. They have all of it. So we've already put our basic info. We're in the United States. We have our channel tags, and make sure this is set for the audience. Make sure it's set to no, this is not for kid, unless your channel is for kid, which I don't recommend people to get into because there's so many rules with COPPA. But for most of you guys, you're gonna set your channel no, it's not for kid. And one more thing is we want to make sure that our channel is verified, and basically I'm going to walk you guys through it. Basically, you're just going to click verify phone number. Once you click verify phone number, you're going to put your phone number. I'm going to put my phone number, and I'm gonna continue with this. So I'm going to block it out real quick so I can put my phone number. So next it will take you to a page that will tell you to enter the number, which I just did, and then you get to this page saying, hey, your account is verified. And if we go back, boom, our account is verified. Now, if our account is not verified, number one, you won't get past the monetization process, and number two, you won't be able to upload any video longer than 15 minutes. So if you're gonna have to upload a video that is longer than 15 minutes, it will not allow you to actually do that. So we're gonna click save to save it, and we're gonna go back to our setting, and now we're gonna go to channel. We're gonna go to uploading default, and making sure that we have the description that we've already written down and the custom subscriber link. We have it unlisted, and we're gonna go to advanced setting and make sure the license is YouTube standard license. Category, it doesn't really matter. Most of my channel are in entertainment category. For my documentary channel is gonna be in entertainment, or it can also be in education, which they have right here. So if your channel is covering music industry, whatever, if your channel is covering sport, gaming, maybe you have a travel channel related to that, or maybe your channel talk about, even that documentary channel can about travel and event because it's talking about events. So it doesn't really matter, but just choose the best category that best fit your channel. In our case, it's gonna be education or entertainment, but I'm just gonna put education. And video language, put what language your video is gonna be in. Of course, once you guys are watching this, it's gonna be in English. So we're just gonna look for English over here, United States, and all those other things, don't worry about them. So all those other things, don't worry about them. It doesn't really matter. And we're gonna go to permission. Don't worry about that also. And all of those are the default setting that they are in are perfectly fine, so it doesn't matter. And everything else is fine. We're going to click save, and just like that, we have our channel setting optimized for SEO.